Hard to come by Naples Heritage Villa West/Pool and Amp, SPA 2-bedroom plus DEN 2-bath. This popular Cheshire Floor Plan is being sold fully furnished/turnkey, meticulously maintained. Neutral colors throughout West/tile floors in main living area, den, kitchen, foyer, amp, baths. Spacious kitchen has breakfast bar, breakfast room, amp, pantry. Living room, kitchen and amp. Bedrooms have lights on upper shelves. Bay window and master bedroom that looks out over pool. Large master bath with double vanity and amp, separate shower/tub. Electric storm shutter on back lanai. In-ground heated pool and spa. Back lanai screen is portrait window across back so that wonderful view of both water and amp golf course can be enjoyed unobstructed. 2-car garage with epoxy floor. Lives like a single family home without all the upkeep. Naples Heritage is a beautiful landscaped, gated, bundled golf community situated on 550 acres of pristine lakes and amp preserves. This active community has an 18-hole gold course, putting green, driving range, renovated clubhouse west/golf pro shop, new resort-style pool with cabana, tennis court/pavilion, pickleball courts and amp, new fitness center. Just minutes from downtown and amp. Beaches.